We were shipping more ROV kits per month than any business ever had. I had never pictured myself running a company, certainly not a successful one. But OpenROV was growing rapidly. Reports were coming back, however, that the vehicle parts were cracking. I had chosen acrylic as the building material for the shells of our vehicles. It could be easily laser cut and was readily available. But at cold temperatures, it was brittle. My imposter syndrome flooded my mind. I had a mechanical engineering degree, but never felt like I deserved it. I was horrible at math, and it took me 6 years, barely passing my classes, to get my bachelor's degree. I had struggled through every grade since elementary school. In 5th grade, I remember having to stay in during recess to finish long division sets, while everyone else who had finished earlier was able to go play outside. But in spite of my academic struggles, I loved designing and building things. When I was 12, my stepdad noticed my interest in a book about ham radios and helped me to get my amateur radio license. When I got it, my teacher announced my success to the rest of the classroom, and it felt great. After that, I started seeing myself differently. In high school, I heard about the mate competition through a STEM class and signed up. Our ROV didn't work that well, but participating helped me to see my strengths and gave me a sense of agency to create my own projects. In college, I got interested in space exploration and started my own club to build a small CubeSat satellite. At a conference, I met people from NASA Ames Research Center who offered me a job where I worked on small satellites. Soon, my boss suggested I go to grad school. With a track record of self-designed extracurricular projects, I got into the robotics systems lab at Santa Clara University. There, I rekindled my interest in ROVs, and that led me to start my own company, OpenROV. 2 years ago, I was cast for a TV show about ocean exploration. I got to travel around the world on one of the most advanced research vessels ever built. I dove in submersibles to explore parts of the ocean that had never been seen before. I remember my first dive on one of the bubble subs that can handle the immense pressure of over 3,000 feet of depth due to a spherical piece of acrylic, of all materials. Amazing. Acrylic. Something that fails so easily in one context can achieve incredible things in another, as long as you know how to utilize its unique strengths.